Hello, my name is Amber Tanner. I am currently a third-year double major in Theater and General Business at SVSU, and today I will be presenting to you a proposal for an SVSU Department of Theatre new faculty member. The purpose of this proposal is to consider hiring another theater professor that has a background in a realm of theater that the current faculty does not have. This opportunity is for students present and future, will cause SVSU to become a better competitor with schools in the region and to have more distinction and specification within the program. Currently, according to theaterschools.com, the SVSU Theater Department is number 13 in Michigan for all theater schools. When senior theater major Natasha Nash was a prospective student, she was taken on a tour of the department and was told that SVSU is a Bachelor of Arts program with different tracks. While this is advertised, students can't actually dive into each of the tracks that are promised to them. The acting track is the most developed, but the technical theater and stage management could use some major boosts to ensure that students are successful. To be a viable competitor with bigger schools and carry through with promises made to incoming students, SVSU needs more specification and distinction within its course catalog. A phrase that could be said about the current theater program at SVSU is, "It is satisfactory, but it has the potential to be tremendous." If we do not address that fact, we will remain satisfactory while other schools continue to improve. We must continue to improve as well to ensure that we are providing the best possible education to current students and look as marketable as possible to prospective ones. The way in which I propose we do this is for SVSU to hire another faculty member with a background in something different than the current faculty has. Once the faculty member is hired, the course catalog must be updated to allow for more specific courses that allow students to further develop whichever track of theater the new professor happens to specialize in. There are 4 steps to achieve this solution. The first is to determine which background of theater the department needs to develop most. Backgrounds that current faculty are missing include sound design, costume design, hair and makeup design, and stage management. Each of these would prove helpful in different ways. However, in the realm of costume design, the lack of a faculty member proves increasingly difficult because there is no one to oversee the department costume shop during production season. And with stage management, even though it is one of the tracks promised as an option to prospective students, there's only one course offered. There's little opportunity for current student stage managers like myself to develop their craft outside of one of the 4 positions available each season. Once a prospective background has been chosen, the university must publish a job posting to the public. The job description must be developed by the Department of Theatre in coordinates with the Dean and approval of the Vice President of Academic Affairs. Once the posting is created and applicants start applying, the hiring process must be completed. Applications will be screened, interviews will be scheduled and conducted, and one applicant will be selected for employment. Once the new professor is hired, the course catalog must be updated to allow for classes within his or her background to be offered to students. The added courses are in fact what is actually going to be developing that track that is promised to incoming students. This could simply be done by changing the curriculum to current classes in order to add additional information, by adding a new course that's focus is strictly on a topic that is not currently offered, or by having a co-taught class between the new professor and a current faculty to expand not only student knowledge but faculty as well. In conclusion, if this proposal is approved and enacted, it will lead to increased opportunity for all. Regardless of which field of theater is chosen to expand upon, the Department of Theatre will flourish with new knowledge. Students and professors alike will be able to learn skills from the new faculty member. All the students will be able to better develop an overview of every aspect theater has to offer, and those students planning on going into that career will be better prepared for their future. The department will also be able to advertise these new opportunities to incoming students and more effectively follow through with the promises they currently make. These are the sources that I discussed within my presentation. Thank you once again for your time, and I hope you have a lovely day.